The Haka. You've likely seen it. This traditional Maori war dance is more than just a performance. It's a powerful expression of culture and identity. Maybe at a rugby game, the New Zealand All Blacks, one of the most famous rugby teams in the world, perform the Haka before every match. The New Zealand All Blacks are known for it. Their intense and synchronized movements captivate audiences globally. It's strong, powerful. The expressions on the faces of those performing it convey a deep sense of purpose and emotion. More than just a dance, the Haka is a ceremonial performance that has been passed down through generations. The Haka is part of Maori culture. It tells a story. It shows feelings. Each movement and chant has a meaning, often reflecting historical events or honoring ancestors. It connects people to their ancestors. The Haka is a bridge between the past and the present, linking generations. It's about strength, pride, and being together. The unity and collective energy of the performers are palpable. The Haka is about life, it's about death. It encompasses the full spectrum of human experience. It's about everything in the middle. From celebrations to farewells, the Haka is a versatile expression of emotion. It shows what it means to be Maori. The Haka is a declaration of identity and cultural pride. When they stomp and slap their chests, you feel the energy. It's exciting. The rhythm and intensity are infectious. Many people love the Haka. Its raw power and beauty resonate with audiences worldwide. They like its power and beauty. The Haka's visual and emotional impact is undeniable. They want to know what it means. Understanding the Haka's significance deepens the appreciation for this cultural treasure. They want to know its history. The roots of the Haka stretch back centuries, rich with tradition and meaning. The Haka is a gift from the Maori people to everyone. It transcends cultural boundaries and speaks to the human spirit. It shows us that culture is important. The Haka reminds us of the power of cultural expression and the importance of preserving it. Imagine a long time ago in the heart of ancient New Zealand. Maori warriors are getting ready to fight. They gather in their village, preparing their weapons and painting their faces. They need to scare their enemies. Their faces contort with intense expressions and their bodies move with aggressive gestures. They need to find strength inside. They take a moment to meditate, drawing power from within. So they do the Haka. This isn't just any dance, it's a synchronized display of unity and power. It's a strong war dance. Every movement is deliberate, every shout is filled with purpose. Lots of stomping and shouting. The ground shakes with their force and their voices echo through the air. The Haka scared their enemies. It showed their power. The fierce expressions and powerful movements were enough to intimidate any foe. It showed they weren't afraid. The warriors stood strong and united, ready to face any challenge, but the Haka was more than just a war cry. It was a cultural ritual that brought the warriors together. It helped the warriors get ready to fight. The pre-battle rituals and the Haka itself were essential in preparing their minds and bodies. They connected with their ancestors. Through the Haka, they invoked the spirits of their forebears. They got strength from their past. The rich cultural heritage and the stories of their ancestors gave them courage. The Haka was important in Maori wars. It was a crucial element in their strategy and morale. It was a powerful tool. The Haka could turn the tide of battle, showcasing their strength and unity. It could help win a battle. The psychological impact on their enemies was immense. Today, the Haka isn't used in war, but it's still powerful. It remains a symbol of Maori culture and identity, performed at important events and ceremonies. The Haka is very spiritual. It connects Maori people to their ancestors and gods. One important god is Tani Mahuta, god of the forest. The Haka's movements copy nature's movements. The stomping feet show the earthquake god, Ruomoko. When doing the Haka, Maori people believe they connect with these gods. They use the god's strength and energy. This connection makes the Haka powerful. It's more than just moving your body. It's a spiritual journey. The Haka keeps Maori culture alive. It honors their ancestors. It connects them to the spiritual world. It shows their beliefs and values. The Haka is like its own language, a powerful expression of Maori culture and identity. It uses movement, expressions and sound. Every move means something. The stomping feet, a symbol of connection to the earth. Slapping legs, a call to attention. Wide eyes showing alertness and intensity. The chanting, a vocal declaration of strength. These all work together to make a powerful performance. Faces are very important, conveying deep emotions. They show the Haka's feelings, the raw emotions of the warriors, anger, strength, pride. Eyes are key. They tell a story of their own. They stare down the opponent, a challenge and a show of dominance. They show the warrior's spirit, the unyielding determination. Sticking out the tongue shows they are not afraid, a gesture of defiance. The chanting is also important. It unites the group. The words tell a story, a narrative of their heritage. They often talk about ancestors, battles, and the importance of land and family, connecting the past with the present. The chanting is strong and rhythmic, a heartbeat of the performance. It makes the performance more intense, a true spectacle of unity and power. There are many types of Haka, each has its own purpose and meaning. Some Haka welcome people, others say goodbye, some are for challenges, others celebrate. The is a war Haka. It has aggressive moves and fierce chanting. The welcomes people. It is graceful and elegant. It shows hospitality and respect. The type of Haka depends on the event, the performers, the message they want to share. Each Haka is unique. Each Haka is special.